Hello everyone. Today we'll be learning how to make or configure a advertisement billboard. Now, first get them all in the description. It's probably the first thing you'll see in the description. Once you open it, it will look like something like this. Want to move advertisements server. Roblox Studio is not responding. Great. This has never happened. Well, this has happened before quite a lot. Because well, so yeah, put advertisement server in server scripts. Move it there. Then put advertisements RE in replicate storage. Then you want to put create add GUI and start a GUI. Now it'll probably all look like something like this, but so basically, let me explain it. So when someone joins the game, they'll probably see something like this. They'll click on this, and then it'll come up with all this. Put what you want in here, for example, the ID of what they want, and then this item name will, be the name of the link. It's really hard to explain. And once they bought it, because you have to buy it for some money, Robux obviously, it will come up on here. And once it comes up on here, it will scroll through a load of adverts. So you want to open an advertisement server. You want to replace all these numbers next to product ID with your developer product ID, so they can repeatedly buy it. Now, time per ad, what this means is, because there's going to be more than one advertisement on here, every 10 seconds it scrolls through each ad, and then time ad exists. It exists for one whole day. You can change this if you would like, it's optional. And is there anything else? You can change these images if you would like. So that one, you change that. Actually, I wouldn't recommend changing it, but that's your choice. And yeah, that'll be around about it. This won't work in studio. You have to join the game, so it's mainly why I'm not testing it out right now. Anyways, that's around about it. If you guys want to actually edit the billboard, like, for example, hold on, what is going on? For example, you want it to look different, you can change it to something you want. You don't have to keep it like this, you can change it to however you want. So what you do, you just go in other parts, for example, base. Oh, let me get rid of that real quick. Base, stand, you can do whatever you want with it. You can make it bigger if you want, you can make this stand bigger, but yeah, that'll mess up a little. Yeah, so anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. I will probably teach you how to make a developer product next video, so yeah. Anyways, bye.